according to his pronunciation, intonation, and stress. So let's get started with the first part, which is word blending. Alright, so for word blending, we have the so-called assimilation, intrusion. So the word would be ending in a vowel sound E, followed by a word that starts with a vowel. So if that's the case, if it ends with letter E followed by a vowel sound, then we have to insert letter Y or sound Y. So in between of the two. For example, the word the plus and. So we could read this one as the and. But following this rule, we could say the end, the end. Next one, we have words ending with letter O, followed by a vowel sound. Example, go, away, go, away. So go ends with the sound O. That's why we needed to insert W. Now let's try to read it. Go away. Go away. Good. After that, we have elision. So here, this sound is removed from the word. For example, kept going. So if you notice, T is in between consonant P, consonant G. So we could omit the T sound. Now let's try to read. Kept going. Kept going. So if you notice, we didn't pronounce the T sound. Another example. Diamond, ring. Diamond, ring. So letter T is in between D and R. So we could omit the D sound. Let's pronounce diamond ring. Diamond ring. Okay. So please memorize that rule. And of course, the last but not the least, we have germinates. So when we say germinates, these are double sounds, or they have the same consonant sound. Consecutive words. So for example, social, life. Now, social ends with L sound and life starts with L, so it is double sound. All we have to do is to omit the first sound. Okay, so let's try. Social life. Social life. Another example. Pet turtle. Pet turtle. Now let's try. Pet turtle. Pet turtle. So there's no pause between pet and turtle, social and life. Okay, so let's have a recap. The first one is assimilation, intrusion, elision, and germinates. So another criteria for read the text aloud is intonation. For intonation, we have different rules, but for now we will be having the three. First is for yes-no question. Typically, it's rising intonation. Example. Would you like a cup of coffee? My intonation is rising. Next, choice question. It usually has the word or. It's rising on the first part and falling on the second. Example. Would you like coffee or tea? Coffee or tea? Coffee is rising, tea is falling. And of course, the third one is tag question. Falling and rising. Here's an example. Disma is a teacher. Falling, isn't she? Rising. Disma is a teacher. Isn't she? Alright. So I hope that you'll do good on your TOEIC speaking test. Until next time, bye-bye!